Hey, how's it going, guys? Matt here from Toasty DIY, and I'm here with a very quick video to show you how we built our awesome YouTuber set. If you do not know who we are, my name is Matt, and I am a part of the YouTube channel called the Toastybros with my good friend Jackson, and we have been making YouTube videos for a long time, and this is our latest creation. We recently moved into an awesome office space, which if you haven't seen that video, we made a ton of videos about the whole vlog with that, so hit the on the top right corner and check that video out. But we recently got this entire new set built, and really it wasn't all that expensive, and honestly it looks incredibly professional. So I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that we used, and if you guys want to pick up anything, link in the description down below. Now we'll go ahead and start from left to right here, and on the ground we have these awesome RGB floodlights. Now these are 30-watt RGB floodlights. You can easily pick them up on Amazon. There's a ton of different brands that you can use, but the brand we have right here, without me trying to blind myself, is Stella. These are Stella RGB lights, and as you can see, there's an RGB mode where it cycles through RGB. You can easily change it with a remote to blue, red, whatever color you really want, and get a nice, awesome RGB floodlight on your video set. Normally these are used for outdoor situations, but they become really popular for streamers and YouTubers, and I really like these lights. Again, link in the description down below. Of course, we have the YouTube plaque, and we have this beautiful diagram of a hard drive, blueprint of a hard drive, excuse me. We've had this since the original video set, and we really like the way it looks. Now over here, we have one of our first new shelves. Now, we picked up these shelves on Amazon, link in the description down below. I can't remember the exact model design, but I do believe it was Tribe Designs. I think that was the brand name. That could have been for that too, but totally don't remember. Link in the description down below. But I really just went for whatever look had the most modern wood design, and they are really cost effective, only $80. What we decided to do is, you can see, we took out one of the shelves and put our beautiful custom arcade cabinet in here, which we built a long time ago, and of course makes for a really cool video set piece. Up here we have some other little memorabilia, another blueprint over there. When the first generation of AMD Ryzen CPUs came out, they sent out these reviewer crates with all the new CPUs in it, and we decided to make a little plaque out of it. As you can see right here, we have some just general stuff, but I really like these shelves. The main idea behind this was to get two matching shelves so we can have the logo nice and center, which I will definitely talk about here in a minute, and then have this entertainment center, which we'll get to right now, being right here and have some more stuff on it. So as you see, we have some more computer stuff. We have our unboxing knife, and right now we have a glue gun. Don't worry about that. We're working on a project, so I'm just gonna hide that right there. And then just some more general boxes. I think the design of having two shelves with an entertainment center in the middle works out really well, and it makes for a very uniform video set. And as you can see, right smack dab in the middle is that beautiful custom Toast CPU logo that we got done a long time ago, and we got this made by Louisville Custom Signs. We are from Louisville, Kentucky, and big shout out to Louisville Custom Signs. They made this thing look absolutely awesome. We added our own RGB strip to it, but it was made with the idea in mind of adding your own RGB for some edge lighting, and I think it looks absolutely cool and makes this setup look so professional, way better than what we had before. I'll try to include some video of what our old video set looked like versus the new video set, and I think we've really jumped up in production value. Next up on the right over here is our other shelf. Again, same shelf, nothing too crazy, and we have some more components on there and another one of those lights along with a Fanatic jersey. So overall the set is pretty simple, nothing too crazy. We still have the same up desk with the same Newegg PC Builder mat that we got out in Vegas during CES of 2019? No, 2020. It was right before COVID. So yeah, sad times. I miss CES. But no, you cannot buy this thing. It was an exclusive to the Newegg party, so stop asking. But yeah, there it is. That's our setup. That's how we did it. We do have two lights up here. We have our just basic softbox there, basic softbox there. And then if you haven't seen the video already where I talk about the diffusers that I have on these overhead LED panels, check that video out. It's a really cool video, and I'm really happy with how the lighting looks in our videos because of it. And overall, it makes for an awesome little YouTuber set that I'm very impressed with, and I'm really happy that we're able to shoot videos here now. If you guys want to try to pick up anything that I mentioned on this set, links in the description down below will be affiliate links. If you do purchase using those links, it will help us out. And overall, I'm incredibly happy with what we have here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.